Hi, I'm Jelai. If you're new here, I make videos that I can explore my capabilities to challenge myself.
Maubo ulit siya si ate. Ang tanong, ano sagot mo? Ano yung ID ko?
Hello people. So how's life been catching up with you? For me, I've been living in the fast lane again. Every day is day one until I find my rhythm. Been making memories with my nephews, talking to my sister, or staying in, doing household chores, or sleep and take as much as I can, then wake up, drink coffee, go to work, log in, take each call one at a time, and trying to deliver the process correctly, or just fake it till you make it, that's what they say. And then mingle with the newfound people at work to laugh, share stories, or be positive at work, then lagged out. After work, sometimes I run errands, adulting, or just go straight home. Chill a little, watch a few videos, then go back to sleep.